At least 2 people have died and 7 were injured, including 4 women and 3 children, after a boat capsized in the Mahandi River in Odisha's Jharsuguda district. As per the police, the local fishermen rescued 35 passengers and brought them to the bank, and around 13 more people were rescued by the policemen and fire service personnel. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has expressed grief over the death of 2 people in the boat mishap and has also announced an ex gratia of rupees 4 lakhs for the next of kin of the deceased. Meanwhile, the local collector has issued a statement. Listen in.
प्रशासन है और उड़ीसा साइड से पूरा सहयोग मिल रहा है। यहाँ की कलेक्टर और एसपी और आईजी साहब सभी मुस्तैद हैं। ओडीआरएफ अभी भी गोताखोरी कर रहे हैं और शायद इन लोगों ने भुवनेश्वर से स्कूबा डाइवर चॉपर से भी यहाँ आने की खबर मिल रही है। हमने अभी तक जो यहाँ पे पुलिस चौकी फंडी बोलते हैं, फंडी में जो इस हादसे में से जो बचाए गए थे वो लगभग 49 लोग हैं जिनको हम वहाँ मिलकर आए हैं। उनको हम लोग आज ही रात अभी खाना खिला रहे हैं और आज ही रात उन लोगों को हम वापस उनके गांव, संभवतः सभी अधिकांश लोग अंजोरपाली और 3 और गाँव से हैं, तो उनको आज रात ही हम लोग वापस करवा देंगे। अभी की स्थिति में एक महिला की शव बरामद हुआ है, वो लगभग 35 वर्ष की महिला है और 7 अन्य लोग अभी मिसिंग हैं यानी गायब हैं। उसमें से 4 महिलाएं और 3 बच्चे हैं। लेकिन ये स्थिति अभी गोताखोरी जो चल रही है रात के समय में, उसमें हो सकता है स्थिति बदलेगी। जैसे भी जो भी होगा हम लोग उनके डेथ सर्टिफिकेट और पोस्टमार्टम यहीं उड़ीसा से करा के उनके बॉडीज़ को वापस हम लोग अपने छत्तीसगढ़ ले जाएंगे।
Brian, my colleague, joins us at this point in time to talk more about this. Brian, this is indeed an unfortunate incident, but so far we've not been able to figure out what really caused it.
Well, definitely we need, that following a very tragic incident that, that got out on Friday, 2 people have lost their life, unfortunately, and even 7 others went missing when this very boat capsized in the Mahandi River, which is situated at the Odisha's Jharsuguda district. Now, the victim, if you talk of the victim, also a 35-year-old woman from Chhattisgarh, also tragically perished in the mishap, and the missing individuals also, which comprises of 4 women and 3 children, all belong to the Raigad district in Chhattisgarh. The ill-fated boat was also ferrying over 50 passengers beneath over Kharsia to a temple located in Odisha's Barga district when this disaster struck, and causing this vessel to capsize midway. Now, talking about, the collector's response also, Kartikeya Goyal also provided updates on the ongoing rescue efforts, stating that the Odisha Disaster Rapid Action Force, that is the ODRF, is continuing the very search operation, and they have also received the information that even scuba divers, have very much visited Bhubaneswar, and he also further mentioned that they have rescued over 47 to 48 people so far, and they will send more people back to the villages, that very day. And even he also talks about, another body of a 35-year-old woman that have been discovered while the search still continues for the missing 4 women and children. Now, Vineet, another very important aspect that should be noted is the local residents played a
All
very
right, Brian,
crucial
appreciate you
role.
joining us.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.